The Python code is less error-prone and less debugging intensive, so a heavily regulated industry like Fintech can select Python for its complicated features. SciPy, NumPy, and Pandas are a few open-source financial libraries in Python that let developers work hassle-free without building separate tools and components. A better application can lead to greater market share for both mega incumbents and SMEs in the financial services sector. Applications built in Python is highly robust that helps fintech in predicting analysis while trading. Python offers secure payment gateway integration, APIs and scalability to manage transactions smoothly. With Techno Exponent, you can design and develop unique fintech apps to solve your financial issues. Instant results and customer service are top priorities of Python development companies. Get in touch with us today for the same experience.